Hello everybody, in this video we are going to learn how to draw the lumbar plexus. The lumbar plexus originates from fibers of the anterior rami of L1 to L4. So we draw L1, L2, L3 and L4. These are the vertebrae. There are a total of 6 nerves in the lumbar plexus. The 6 nerves can be divided into 3 groups, each comprising of 2 nerves. In the first group, there are 2 nerves that originate from one single root. We'll draw that. Now in the second group, we have 2 nerves that originate from 2 roots. We'll draw that a little later. We'll draw the third group first, wherein we have 2 nerves that originate from 3 roots. Now we'll draw the 2 nerves that originate from 2 roots. Nerves of the first group receive fibers from the subcostal nerve. So this is the subcostal nerve. It is not a part of the lumbar plexus, but there are a few fibers from the subcostal nerve that are supplied to the first group of nerves in the lumbar plexus. And this supply is done by a communicating branch. Now let's name the nerves of the lumbar plexus. This is the iliohypogastric nerve. This is the ilioinguinal nerve. Here we have the genitofemoral nerve. Next, lateral cutaneous femoral nerve. If we notice these 2 nerves, they are originating from the exact same roots. But what is the difference? This nerve over here is originating from the anterior division of the root, while this nerve over here is originating from the posterior division of the root. So these anterior divisions will make up the obturator nerve, while the posterior divisions will make up the femoral nerve. You do not need a mnemonic or any trick to memorize the names of the branches of the lumbar plexus, and I'll help you join the dots to logically keep them in mind. So first we have the iliohypogastric nerve. The word hypogastric is indicative of below the gastric region or below the stomach. So the first nerve is below the stomach. Now after we have a nerve below the stomach, the next region is the inguinal region. So the next nerve is the ilioinguinal nerve. Now that we've reached the inguinal region, the next part we have 2 regions. If you move medially from the inguinal region, you'll reach the genital region, whereas if you move laterally, you'll reach the femoral region. So here we have the genitofemoral nerve. After reaching the inguinal region, next, if we move medially from the inguinal region, we reach the genital region, and if we move laterally, we'll reach the thigh or the femoral region. Hence, it's the genitofemoral nerve. Now we come to the thigh region. So when we come to the thigh region, we are actually moving lateral to the ilioinguinal nerve. So first we have the lateral cutaneous femoral nerve, which is going to supply the lateral part of the thigh. Next we have the femoral nerve that's going to supply the anterior part of the thigh. And finally we have the obturator nerve that's going to supply the medial portion of the thigh. So these are the nerves of the lumbar plexus. I hope this video was useful and you retain this information for a longer period of time just by visualizing the parts of the body without the use of any mnemonic. That's all we have for today. Thank you.